Have you watched this viral video on internet? After watching this video, I ordered something similar to this product, and I am talking about Ekte Intense Coverage BB Plus Foundation Strobe Cream. Did you see how easily it covered up my pimples? It works both as a foundation and strobe cream. It has really high coverage. Also, it will give you HD finish. This product is enriched with hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. It also comes with SPF 35 and covers all dark circles and blemishes. Look at that glow. Up next, I'm going to be using their revolutionary 3-in-1 3D Kajal Gel, and look at that pigmentation. It's very long lasting. You can use this product in multiple ways, like an eyeliner, kajal and brow filler. It has got ingredients like biotin and almond oil, which will actually promote eyelash growth. Lastly, we have my most favorite and India's first ever lid-free and lab-tested beetroot lip and cheek tint, which is highly pigmented and long-lasting. It treats rough and chapped lips. It has edible formula and also safe for kids. It's a 3-in-1 blusher, eyeshadow and lip tint. All these are my top daily makeup favorites and must be in your vanity too. Go and grab them now.